Welcome to Fabian's Heating and Air Conditioning. From the first warm day of summer to the coldest night of winter, we keep Stockton homes comfortable. Repairs, installations, tune-ups, and maintenance. Handled by a team that treats your home like it's their own. Real installations and repairs from homes across Stockton. Quality you can see, comfort you can feel. Don't sweat it out, don't freeze through it. Fill out the form, give us a call, or send a WhatsApp. We'll get back to you within hours, not days.